Hi, I'm Jasmine. I go to Homestead in high school, and this is the second milestone of my project. My project is the IoT smart lamp. So it's just like a basic smart lamp that can it has like a bunch of like different colors, and it'll do a lot of stuff, which I'll show. Okay, so this is my project. Okay, so it has a lot of features, including like, okay, wait. So this is an Adafruit dashboard, and it'll basically like show the user what's going on, and it'll allow the user to interact with it. So as you can see right here, it shows the temperature in degrees Celsius. This shows the relative humidity. This is like a thing that you can like interact with to like change the color of the ring light. And okay, this is something called safe mode, where it's like if it's on and motion's detected through this motion detector, then this buzzer will start to ring, and an email will be sent to like the user's like inbox to like warn them of like an intruder in the room. And then this is like a master light switch, and when it's off, all the lights will be off, and when it's on and motion is detected, the light will turn on and stay on until this is switched off again. So I'll demonstrate the safe mode first, but like no, there's like a delay in like the from like stuff going from the code to the dashboard, just because I don't want the dashboard to like overload and stop working, because I don't know, Adafruit is weird. So I'm gonna turn safe mode on, and then here, I'll move my hand in front of it. This should start to ring in a second, but there's a delay. Oh my god. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off so it doesn't ring more. And then here, this is the master light switch. I'm gonna turn it on, and then I think it'll turn to white first, but then you can change the color to sort of whatever you want. So here, I'll change it to like purple. And then later on, if you turn the light switch off and turn it back on, it'll turn back to like this saved color. Hold on. Okay, there we go. So how this works, um, I created a bunch of like feeds on Adafruit, and you can connect the feeds to Arduino, which is where I wrote my code. I don't know if, okay, so I have a bunch of different feeds called like lights, humidity, lights on like temperature, buzzer, motion, like a bunch of stuff that basically represents everything on the circuit board, and we'll connect it to here. And so yeah, the feeds and like my board, they just like kind of send like signals back and forth, and they kind of like give each other information. And yeah, this board will send like information to here where the user can read it, which yeah. And then the rest of my code is like basic logic. Like for example, it'll say like if if this safe mode is on, if the safe mode is on, and then if motion is detected, then the buzzer will ring. And then here, so one challenge I faced during this project was that my temperature and humidity sensor, when you first like uploaded the code and like ran it, it needed time to calibrate, and sometimes it'd have like crazy values like in the millions for the temperature and humidity. So oh yeah, here's an example of it actually. When there's an invalid reading, it'll like skip over it kind of in like an if then statement. It'll skip over it and skip to like the next valid reading and display that for the user. And another challenge I faced is that for my LED ring light, the first time I soldered it like really like badly. So it like fell off. So I just resoldered it, but when I resoldered it, it was super messy. And I connected a bunch of like metal pins that I should have, just because it was like there was a huge blob of solder on it. And then when I connected it to my board, it like started smoking, so I had to change it. But I got a new ring light, and it was fine, and a new board. Other than that, my next steps for my third milestone are to like think of some new modifications. I'm not sure what they'll be yet. And then I'll probably implement them. I probably have to change my code and my dashboard to like show that. And then I'll build the enclosure for the like the breadboard or whatever. And that's pretty much it.